In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable cookies on your Android phone. Okay, so cookies allow you to get the best possible user experience when you're browsing the web and things like that. So to enable cookies on websites and things like that, I'm going to go and open up a web browser. In my case, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And then at the top of Google Chrome, at the top right corner, there are three vertical dots. You want to tap on those three dots, and then you want to tap on where it says settings near the bottom over there. Once you're on the settings page, just scroll down until you find site settings. It's located right over there underneath accessibility. Tap on site settings, and at the top it says cookies. Now tap on cookies, and then you can read about the cookies and things like that. But then at the top, you can see mine's on block third-party cookies in incognito, but you just want to select allow cookies at the top, and it says sites will work normally, and then you'll get the best possible user experience. And if you want to add an exception to a specific website, you can tap on add site exception at the bottom, put in the URL of the website, and then tap on add, and then that'll block cookies for that specific site. But this tutorial is about how to allow cookies, so just enable that there at the top, and then you're all set to go. So that is how you enable cookies on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.